Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if you're new here, you know what to do. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button and also don't forget to like this video. So today I have you guys some orange mango juice. Very delicious. As you guys can see, I am so addicted to mango juice, so I had to buy myself, a good blender and a juicer so that I can make myself this juice. If you want to see how I make this, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I have here 4 big mangoes, and I just went ahead and peeled the mangoes and also went ahead and sliced them, and I have 6 oranges that I cut into half, making it basically, I would say, 12. Okay, and I have my juicer right there, which is going to be juicing my orange juice. So it's very easy to juice your orange juice with this juicer. All you gotta do is just place it on it and boom, it is electric. So okay guys, here is my juice. Oh my goodness, this orange juice, I had to taste it. It tastes so good. And you see, it's not just the mango, but you can even juice your own oranges by yourself and enjoy it the way you want. Basically, like, I'm into fresh juice, guys. I am into fresh juice, and you don't want to miss on this, guys. Instead of buying bottled juice, which I'm crazy about, now I am trying to juice my juices by myself because I feel like it's fresher and more healthy for your skin, or your health basically. So yeah, now I am putting my mangoes in my blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend those. As you guys can see, I am adding some of that ice orange juice in there. So I basically like my orange mango juice to be a bit thick, not too watery. But if you want it too watery, then you can add more water. But I like it the way it is. I just have the perfect consistency. So I went ahead and then pour some of that in my pitcher because my blender is not that big to handle all the mangoes, so I'm doing half and half. So I went ahead and put in the second batch, and this time I added a little bit of water because I don't have a lot of orange juice left. You guys can see I did not add a single sugar in this. Okay, so this is very healthy. It's just fresh juice, freshly made juice, homemade juice. So I love that about it. So basically that is it for this video. Very easy and simple. As you guys can see, I had to pour myself some and enjoy it. And you can drink this. You can put this in the fridge for a week, and if you want it to last longer than that, then you can go ahead and put it in your freezer. And one thing you can do is also to put it in a freezer safe bottle, and I got these from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link down below. This is where I put all my juices that I'm going to be freezing, and they can last for a long time, and I'll be just enjoying my homemade juices. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.